grüß dich zurück zu SmackDown vs. Raw. Wir sind unterwegs mit Edge und haben nun wieder ein Match vor uns. Ich glaube, diesmal ist es ein Tag-Match. Mal schauen. Wähle einen Partner für den heutigen Abend. Mit wem hat sich denn Edge immer gut verstanden? Ich wüsste das gar nicht mehr, ehrlich gesagt. Das ist eine gute Frage. Das ist eine wirklich gute Frage. Chris Jericho, CM Punk. Mit Jeff Hardy hat er sich auch einmal gestritten. Weißt du was, wir nehmen das große rote Monster. Wähle ein gegnerisches Teammitglied für heute Abend. Ja. Wir nehmen den Finlay. Tag Team Match.
Now this is different. It's Edge and a partner of his choosing against Mr. Kennedy and a partner of Edge's choosing.
So.
Well, nothing should come as a shock anymore with Maria running things. I'm sure Maria's hoping Edge takes it to Mr. Kennedy.
And I'm sure Kennedy's looking to ruin
So.
Maria's night. Look out! Oh man!
Hoppala. Der ist sicher nur eifersüchtig, der Kennedy da. John F. Kennedy. Ja, sicher, wir dürfen uns nach oben schlafen und er darf nur zuschauen. Aus. Ja, so ist das Leben. Der eine darf den Schwengel wegstecken und der andere muss ihn stecken lassen. Ach, schön. Upsa. Ach, ist das schön.
His partner's hurt. His partner's in bad shape. He might have to finish this one on his own, folks. Look out.
So.
Look out.
Wie ist denn das gegangen? Du hast... Achso, ich habe auf Automatik gestellt, die Funktion zwecks Blick, weißt du, zwecks der Steuerung auf welchen Gegner etc. Ja, vielleicht drehe ich das irgendwann mal um. Aber wie gesagt, ich nehme das hier so nicht ernst, gell? Das ist rein zur Unterhaltung, bla bla bla. Man kennt's ja. Au. Ja sicher, mach's einen auf Undertaker, oder? Elbow Drop und der ging daneben. So. Haha. Weißt du was? Kane, ich wollte eigentlich gerade abklatschen, du Vollidiot. Was? Oh, ich darf mit Kane spielen. Geil. Ich wusste gar nicht, dass Kane doch so beliebt war. Naja. Oh. Er blutet. Da blutet jemand.
What a disgusting choke. Just a crippling maneuver. 1, 2,
Nice. A smart heads
Super Edge.
and we've broken out into a riot in the ring. There's a pin now, and he finally heads back out of the ring. Finally,
Shot.
we might get some order in this one. A clubbing axe handle.
Na komm,
Whoa,
tu irgendwas, Kane.
Finley eats a hard shot.
Wäre ich gemein, würde ich sagen, er hätte ein Six,
Oh,
na,
man.
lass
How
mal's.
did he even take that?
And there's another one.
So. Ist jetzt aber nicht der Ernst, oder?
Good grief.
That elbow did some damage.
Uh-oh. Look at Kane.
Dabei ist der Kane nicht mal so ein Seilathlet, gell?
He dodged that bullet.
Oh, my God.
Boah.
Oh, God, what impact.
Oh, das war wirklich ein Einschlag, ja.
Look out. What a landing. Again.
Oh, man, I feel bad for him.
Wenn ich nur wüsste, wie die Double-Team-Aktionen gehen.
Oh. And another big hit with the axe handle.
Na komm, gib auf. Meister Anus.
He's tagged in his partner. Oh, man.
Boah. Na,
That kick rocked him.
And that one rocked him. Oh, man. What a spear. That's a tooth chipper
Ah,
for
scheiße.
sure. And he's shaking. Oh. Oh, that one floored him. What a vicious spear.
na. Er schafft's gerade noch. Aber er gibt nicht auf. Das
Good
ist
night.
redlich.
What a spear. That'll put the lights out permanently. Another one.
Oh,
Look out. Oh.
whoa, 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 whoa.
So.
And it goes running. And he's dazed. And there's a quick kick. Whoa, that one landed.
So.
One more time. Whew. He doesn't know where he is. Oh,
Irgendwann wird er
there's a
schon
good
aufgeben.
shot.
Ach, es ist langweilig.
That elbow just leveled him.
And that one staggered him.
So.
And he strikes with a quick kick.
And Edge smashed his opponent's face into the
Sehr
floor.
geil.
This might do it. 1, 2, 3. They did
Sehr
it.
gut.
I've been in this business longer than I care to admit, and I don't remember too many roles that can match the one Edge is on.
Say what you want about his methods, JR, but the guy has a formula for winning down pat.
We thank you for tuning in to another edition of SmackDown. I'm good old JR Jim Ross alongside Taz.
SmackDown is completely off the hook, JR. Ever since Maria became general manager, our ratings have been higher than ever. Wonder why.
She certainly made some interesting decisions so far, partner. I'm sure tonight will be no different.
Hey, babe. I was thinking.
Were you thinking that we get out of here a little early, head back to my place? You cook me some dinner, and we watch my best of DVD?
Not exactly. Actually, I was thinking you should probably have a match tonight.
Okay, if you say so. You're the boss. It's just tough concentrating in the ring these days with my thoughts constantly being invaded by images of my little love muffin.
How about this to make it a little better? You get to pick your own opponent.
Anyone on the roster? Ah, got it. Edge versus Michelle McCool. Rolling in the ring, exchanging holds, and...
What? Seriously? You want to take out Michelle? Huh.
I was only kidding, kitten. Look, I'll go get ready, and by then I'll figure out who I want to square off with, okay? Okay.
Okay.
Also der Gag mit der mit der eigenen Best-of-DVD zu schauen
I'm
ist
not
geil.
thrilled about having a match tonight. This whole Maria plan was to make less work for me. I should end this match as quickly as possible so I can get back to business. 3 minutes sounds good.
Ach du meine Güte, 3 Minuten? Wenn uns das schaut machbar aus in 3 Minuten. Wie soll ich das in 3 Minuten bitte machen? Nehmen wir den. Also ist ein optionales Ziel.
Here we go with another match in which Edge has handpicked his opponent.
What are you gonna do? fold
Schauen wir
the
mal.
guy? He's in good with the GM. He's living it up, baby.
He's taking his opponent to school here.
So.
Oh,
Aber das ist halt typisch Edge, gell?
we got a cover.
Schon ein bisschen durchgeknallt. Sehr von sich selbst überzeugt.
Elbow drop. Lights
So,
out, check.
3 Minuten. Wer auf diese Schnapsidee gekommen ist,
A vicious elbow drop delivered with a ton of force.
so,
That kick rocked him.
And again. Whoa, that one landed.
nein,
There's a good shot.
Whoa.
schau,
And this supposed relationship between Edge and Maria seems to be on
Ja, das ist
thin
eine Freundschaft plus,
Yeah,
also
Edge has got
bitte.
a real good thing going right now, man. No
Immer im
doubt about
geschäftlichen
that.
Sinne
You
gesehen.
gotta be careful,
Was?
though, not to get on Maria's bedside.
Das schaffe ich ja
And
nie.
an Irish whip. Oh, the 300-pounder just got dropped.
Ah, Dreck.
Rolling out of the ring, and at this point of the match, it might be
Na komm,
time to
komm rein.
reevaluate your strategy.
Schau.
And there he goes,
Na komm, 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 komm.
looking for 3, but he doesn't find 2.
Okay, das wird nichts mit unter 3 Minuten. Oder in 3 Minuten.
What a spear! That'll put your lights out permanently. Lateral press. That's nowhere near a 3 count. Here's a cover,
Man kann es ja probieren.
and he kicks out. Edge is just so dangerous inside the ring.
Hey, like it or not, his talent is second to none.
He's
Na
got
komm.
an opportunity. Oh, one more second, and this was over. Look out! Oh!
Oh, man, how did he even take that?
Der war gut, ja.
He's not going to get the 3 count without doing some more
So.
damage first.
Look out, spear.
So.
Whoa, 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 whoa.
Probieren wir es gleich nochmal.
Here it comes.
Spear.
Spear! Spear by Edge!
He could have the pin right here.
1, 2, 3! Edge wins!
Naja, sollen es 4 Minuten gewesen sein.
Edge racks up and yet another victory. The Rated R Superstar is straight up legit.
I just wonder what's going to happen when he has to face an opponent who he wasn't allowed to choose.
Edge has paid his dues here for sure. So there's no doubt that he's living a little bit easy here. But you know what? I feel he deserves it.
Ach ja, unser Schönling. Naja. Ja, Köpfchen muss man's haben, gell? Sei's drum.
Thank you for joining us tonight, ladies and gentlemen. Tonight's SmackDown promises to be unforgettable.
No doubt, JR. The Rated R Superstar Edge and Mr. Money in the Bank, Mr. Kennedy, are going to lock up here one-on-one in action.
We've been waiting for weeks to see this. I can't wait.
Naja, bevor es dann soweit ist, in der nächsten Aufnahme.
Hey, Edgester! Well, I wanted to congratulate you for growing a pair and coming to grips with the fact that you can't run from me forever. I've been looking forward to this for a long, long time. So tonight, when I might check you clear through the ring, you'll wish that you kept running.
Ja, ja, Mr. Kennedy. Träum weiter. Gut, wir werden hier speichern und das nächste Mal machen wir mit Edge weiter. Genau, wir wollen ja alle zusammen wissen, wie das Ganze ausgeht. Bis zum nächsten Mal und ich hoffe, du hattest ein klein wenig Spaß an der Sache. Baba derweil.